Hey, this is Johnny Cinco here in Montgomery, Alabama with Capital City Dent Repair, and I'm going to show you what we're about to work on. This is a 2018 Nissan Altima. It's a sold unit, but the dealership only wanted to get this dent out. They really don't care about this. It is a sold unit. The customer was only concerned about this, so we're not going to glass it out. It is a wholesale piece, so we're going to show you how we do it. Sounds great. We have more than enough room or space behind this panel to get my hand back behind it. I'm gonna go ahead and warm it up, but I'm just gonna push it with my hand. Should come out, most of it. We should be able to get the majority of it up and start pushing some crowns. Get this in and out as soon as possible. There it is. So we got a crown up here. Alright, so we've been working on this dent for like 5 minutes. As you can see, we're able to pull a lot of metal. I switched from using this tab, this tip on the double bend rod, and I start using this one to start fine tuning. Now I'm about to hit the crowns, and then I'm gonna start finishing off. So here's the tools that I ended up using. This double bend screw-on tips. I use this one. I use this one to move a lot of metal. It's one of my favorite ones. And I use a metal tip. I also used this double bend, I'm sorry, and this 90-degree short. Well, this is like a 20-inch, and I use this one to hit the edge. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna sand it and then we're gonna buff it. Sounds great. Alright, that's it for this car. The Fender turned out, I believe, really well. Right about an hour and 5 minutes it took to do this Fender. It's a wholesale piece, but probably another 40 minutes we could have glassed it out, or maybe even less. It turned out really well. This door is still an eyesore, but the customer's waiting for the vehicle, so we are not gonna touch it up. Maybe they would like to make plans to set an appointment with us for the future, maybe. Hopefully, because it is an eyesore, like it was mentioned. In the meantime, please stay tuned, like and follow. We appreciate you. We're gonna try to keep improving. But till then, we'll see you in the next video. Adios.